received one message this evening. They say they put Mohbad house for sale. I say, God, don't allow anybody to buy you. First way they buy 9 looks. They put the boy house for sale. Some people go say not being buy him. Some people go say not buy him. That boy now not there to speak for himself. But you get one video when I watch. That video is about Mohbad. I remember Bella was congratulating him. He was calling Mohbad a young landlord. I don't know many of you have watched that video. Because Mohbad is my friend. If you want me to call him, I'll call him right now. He can't call Mohbad. He was talking to one girl. Bella was sitting in the car talking to a girl. The girl was shocked. Say, so you know Mohbad? I said, Mohbad is my friend now. Because they call Mohbad the young landlord. Hello. They call just the talk. They call the gist. You know, because they call Mohbad the young landlord. The same way where they call young landlord, where they are before. And the same person, I thought, not being get out. Supposing I ain't get out. Some people say Shekpeteri don't come back. They don't already put her for sale. That's why they ask the woman to leave. Now, make her ask all of them one question. Just simple one question. If Mohbad listed that house, let's assume, say Mohbad listed that house for 5 years or for 10 years. It don't reach where they're supposed to move. Ask them one question. What did make them move come on for that house? What did pursue them for that house? Why they move? Why they leave? What did make them pack? Ask Adura. Adura, what did make you pack? Come on for your brother's house. Why did you people run away? Is your brother now? Is your brother the same mother, the same father with you? So why you go run away from your brother's house? That's enough for your buy today, the next month or next 2 months. Landlord call you pursue now. Mohbad the whole money. Mohbad when he order for Land Rover 2 days after he buy come, where they sell 200 million, 150 million, 300 million. Now you no coffee parents, one they run more for the house. Why would they lie? When I just abandon that house, just run away because of court cases. And now people they come out now and say justice for Domola. They are fighting justice for Domola. Why did they arrest him? Why did they arrest him? They arrested him because of 3 seconds video. Police not a bad person. Police station a woman be the bidder for. If that boy is clean, if he's innocent, he will be free. Nothing will happen to her. True. Now buy that for you know get an idea of what is happening. Domola will be free. Unless he knows more than what he's telling us. Now later one. Now he got nothing goes scot free. So for those of them who say when they protest of Domola, blah 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 blah, it don't even make sense. Do they call anybody out because of Domola? So if he's free, we'll be out. We're gonna stop to the line. Listen to this guy. Hear this list. I don't go through it. I can't confirm I'm saying not true. For the social media space, all the people with BDM don't come for. And we don't come for BDM. And their years be this. Yes. Till today, BDM still knock everybody's down. BDM still we know they hear about them again for the social media space. We are not saying for the social media space before. All these things when they hear, they see social media. They know the them they watch, we know they do anything on top of the social media. But now all of them don't do shit. BDM do them shit. All of them don't pipe low. They know who even raise mouth again because maybe they don't remember their matter again. Now Shekpeteri make a post to VDM. It is send VDM message. And that message we send to VDM, people not to like him. It is tell the person where VDM will get problems. Say make that one please forgive VDM. Say make that one forgive him. He say make that one forgive him. Make it please forgive VDM. I laugh. answer. Who call you for this matter now? Who call you now on top of this matter? Why you not avoid the very dark man? Because if you talk now, you say you talk. Why you not want to avoid this man? You say? Narrating. You just make a post. No, I don't go fit do audio for that now. You just make a post say, make this boy forgive the very dark man. Like he kind of a mocking now, like he mock him. So he just a mocker, like say, oh, you pick past this person now. You know that kind of a thing. Don't even reply. Don't answer him. Like he's mocking very dark man. Now what did he post stand for? So go tell us, you enter us now. Very dark man never come back from China. You come finish the WhatsApp message now. Stay your own and mind your business. I know say go down the wet ground now. You go down the wet
for
ground.
that woman to come outside, when you know say you get pending case with VDA, maybe you're speaking come. Now VDA can go China, she can't come. Then she not relax.
No.
She can't see come outside and make VDA, make the guy forgive VDA. That thing get question mark.
Like people they call her out. I go even people with the corner hat. You go hear people they call her say, mind your business, so stay your own, no. You don't start again, no. Before they go say VDA not get respect. No, I'm afraid they find it trouble. Now I'm afraid they find it trouble. VDA not get anything with you. Now you start to call them first. Guys, problem there for ground though. Justice fighter, the one we call they surprise me now for justice fighter, they're fighting themselves for to. Their bass will not be here. I don't know what is fighting them. Of now them they fight each other. We don't know. Only way we know is justice we must get them. Whether they like it or not. May not take fight to distract us. Why go begin to put the video one after the other? Hey God. I just like the way your media handle the situation. He focus on his own. You don't mind what they talk. Karimo, they say now you be the problem. They say you know everything. And they came out to give to you what to today. That you know it all. That you are pretending.
tó bá ti réyàn tó ń lo inú kan pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ tó ń tọ́ ẹ sọ́nà wàá mú ọjọ́ mi tẹ́lẹ̀ bí bá wá bíi tèmi àtàwọn tó ti lọ tí wọ́n sọ fẹ́ pé má jà má pariwo tó ń tọ́ ẹ sọ́nà Karimo wàá di ẹnìyẹn mú. Karimo ibi tẹ́mi tí mo polówó burúkú nìyẹn ìgbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ wọn dídí jù tó lọ gbèjà tó lọ ṣe kíní kan. Àdùkẹ́ tí wọ́n sí comment section ó tún káàmù rẹ ó dé gbọ́mọ ẹ̀ ṣe pé mo tún bèèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹnu lé ó ní ògbọ́mọ ẹ̀ ṣe pé mo gbé ọmọ Karimo ìkàlẹ́ o ó wọ́n káàbùrú ẹ̀ ṣe ti máa fẹ́ ọlọ́jà aláyé bàjá yìí ti dà owó oníṣẹ́ oríire tó ṣe wà yìí ó rí kó dáhùn sí wọ́n yìí. Ṣé ìmí ayò ṣáà méjèèjì we don't know say Karimo máa lẹ́sẹ̀ kárímọ́ gbogbo bọ́ọ̀sì ọ̀tẹ̀ mo ti dé ìtẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ti jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀.
pé kì í ṣọ́ra fún bọ́ọ̀sì máa bọ́ ò rí pé ó máa wá sórí pílátífọ̀mù pé kí n má sùn mọ́ o kí n má bà ṣọ̀rẹ́ o pé kí n wà kí ẹ fún mo nínú pé I think it's like akọ máa ń sọ pé ìta ọ̀rọ̀ wa kò ṣe pé àdúrà bá ń ṣàtàbẹ́ ní tó bá ti wá náà lónìí náà kí n ṣọ́ra fún o kí wà kí good and be careful of bọ́ọ̀sì máa bó ṣe sọ nìyẹn Kàrímọ́ gbé ọ̀bẹ jáde ṣùgbọ́n o máa ń sọ pé irọ́ ló ń pa Kàrímọ́ nǹkan tó bá ti mọ̀ pé mò ń sọ tó bá ti fẹ́ máa rárá ìṣó yìí Kàrímọ́ máa fi ọ̀bẹ ṣépè máa fi ògùn ṣépè pé tó bá yẹ pé o ò sọ kí ògùn kó máa da owó ọ̀nì mi nípa Àdùkẹ́ owó ọ̀nì nípa ìyá Phoenix owó ọ̀nì nípa Bossman and I keep asking myself why are you scared tó yẹ pé any of your panelists bí wọn gbọ́dọ̀ bára wọn ṣe wọn gbọ́dọ̀ súnmọ́ra wọn gbọ́dọ̀ bára wọn ṣọ̀rẹ́ lẹ́yìn kí ló ń kí ni ìbẹ̀rù tó ń ṣe Kàrímọ́ ṣé o rò pé torí méjì bá kanra wọn pé òótọ́ máa jáde pé a máa wádìí ẹ̀ lẹ́rú ṣe ń bá ẹ̀ ni. wọ́n ti amẹ̀bọ̀ of TikTok náà àti sísá tóbi náà sísá yẹn bọ̀ ṣe sí ó patronize amẹ̀bọ̀ láti ra gold ó pọ̀ pọ̀ lórí platform pé wọ́n tẹ̀ kíra wọn pé ṣé pé ra nǹkan lọ́wọ́ mi ó ní ṣé tí bàbá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́yìn ni èmi ọmọ ẹ má jẹ́ kó ju bí business mọ́ o kí ló kún ẹ̀ ń bẹ Kàrímọ́ tó bá ju business lọ. o wá ìṣeré èèyàn o wá ìlọsíwájú èèyàn o wá ìdùnnú fẹ́ nígbà torí pé ayé tiẹ̀ ti kán ayé ẹ̀ ti kán bí omi òkì. So you see two people together pé ní wọ́n dùn yẹn ìṣòro tó jẹ́ fún yàtọ̀ olórí burúkú òbùnà àwọ̀tá. tọ́ba ni wọ́n dúró tì yàn ìyá yẹn ti sẹ́wọ̀ntì gan sọ pé ìbejì gan kò gbúdọ̀ dúró ti Kàrímọ́ bí mo ṣe dúró tì yẹn ìbejì túwìtì tán bí papọ̀ lọ́jọ́ kan náà pé gbogbo wọn gbúdọ̀ sọpọ́tà ara wọn tó bí mo ṣe sọpọ́tà olórí burúkú òbùnà àwọ̀tá yìí. ẹ bá sọ fún pé ẹ mọ òótọ́ nǹkan báyìí mi kò fẹ́ dárúkọ ẹnìyẹn tó mi ti fẹ́ kọ́ máa forúkọ ẹnìyẹn. confession time. Before I go to expose Kàrímọ́ make una calm down. Confession. I just put that for 1 minute. Only 1 minute first before I finish Kàrímọ́ on. Yeah, I saw it now. I'm bringing it later. Thanks. I saw your message on WhatsApp just now. Okay. But why people they lie? For this justice for Mohbad, why people they lie? How can somebody open mouth and said, Naomi, now he sent Domo last me go thief Adura baby phone. And make it use and said, oh my God. Anyway, I'm not listening to Rasha. You know what you book is talk like that, which is going on.
Nice, let me forgive him. Bookie said, tomorrow, I got the view there that he's going. And when Bookie Jesse was tackling Kàrímọ́, Bookie said, tomorrow, Yomi Fabiyi will be invited to Ogombo police station. Because Damola has already confessed Yomi is the one who sent him to go and steal Adura's phone.
Can you imagine?
This is the reason why I'm interested. No, Doramo. I will get to the root.
Just to scatter 3 seconds video.
No, Doramo. Career is involved. Doramo. And I stood up. I come out. I face the road. On my way, I chatted Mr. Mifabi. Hello, sir. I am on my way to Ogombo. I don't know the place. Where can we link up so we can go together? Because I remember when he asked issue, when he was called, not issue, sorry, he didn't have any issue name. He was called by CP to come to Ikeja. He called me, he explained to me, and I was like, we are in it together, you know. Tó bá jẹ́ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ dìde yìí nǹkan tó dìde gbogbo wa kájọ wà ń bẹ̀. Èmi ti lọ ṣùgbọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bóyá ẹ jẹ́ kájọ wà ń bẹ̀. I came to this platform to talk about it. And Binti Aye called me. Tarifa kilo ṣẹlẹ̀ kí ni kan. Let's go. Tó bá máa lọ let's go. Olóyè àwọn náà bọ̀ tó bá bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wàá mọ́lé kọjọ tí gbogbo wa mọ́lé. So that is how we went. And Onile also put it upon himself that no, I will go and wait for you somewhere. Màá lè bí kí gbogbo wa ẹ jẹ́ kájọ máa lọ. Kọ́ nípa àpò kọjọ títí gbogbo wa dáadáa. Kí sẹ́ni eré gbà wá. That's our intention. We both, all of us went there that day. So I have such a good relationship with Yomi Fabiyi and I have it in mind. So I chatted him. Sir, this is how it is. So that me and you will already to Ogongo police station. That is why I said, okay. And I heard of Babariano also this morning that you are going to Ogongo. So I'm on my way so we can link up and go together. And the response he gave me was, when did you become agents for police, stuff like that? That I should never in my life send such
Let her finish.
message to him again. And I was like, oh, sorry. Okay. And I let go. I continued my journey without looking back. When I got to the police station, they said, no, I went to I was able to talk to Damola. I saw and I asked the questions and all that. And I get to know that, no, Karibo's story is the truth. Guys, take it or leave it. Anybody will confess to a crime before the law, now be criminal. All of us believe that the chat sent to your family was not Damola, was Adura that chatted it. We all believe. But for Damola to confess to the crime that he is the one that chatted him by law, if I go ahead to say no, I want to drag Adura, you are the one, I can be sued for defamation of character. Because somebody has already confessed to the crime. I just need to go by the law. Now, when the guy confessed to the crime before me, I was like, now this story did align. So now they sell the phone. No, we steal the phone. Okay. I go out. And during that time, Bookie don't drag me. Me, I want to pay him back. Big time, I want to pay him back. I want to pay Bookie GC back because he dragged me mercilessly. Now, he tarnished my name. He lied against me. You understand? I want to pay her back. Then, as I came out, instantly, I texted Karimo and I said, okay, get the chat from yeah. You know, when I was going as at 11:46 a.m., I sent message to her that I'm on my way to Ogongo police station. She said, as at 12:38 was when she replied. She said, thanks, bro. Instantly again, she sent another message. She said, show me, that me, Arifa. She used Yoruba to type that. Show me, that me, Arifa, which means, show me, betray me, Arifa. She's now kind of trying to report you if I'm being to me like, Arifa, show me, betray me. When she said that, I said, just wait, ma, close to Lekki. Now, she said, thanks, bro. She now typed again, so I gave her voice notes. Today is coming. I'm not giving her a chance. Make she play those voice notes. Because the voice note is still on the same phone that I'm using right now. Hold on, guys. Let me transport the voice phone. My second phone don't crash. So all this evidence I transfer it to my. Let me forward it.
Now, what? This story will hear him.
I now send a voice note to her. Now let me play the voice note that I sent to her immediately. When you're going to share a little that police station, I don't so the police station, what they can see. So I'm going to confirm the police station. That was the message I sent. her. That was the message I sent to her immediately after she said, "Hey, you're Leo." That was the message. Now, let me continue with the chat. I'm reading this chat not to drag Karimo, guys. I don't have any issue with Karimo. I'm reading this chat not to drag Oreo Goloa, not to drag good art, but to clear my name from all these funny allegations. You understand? She said, "In your lane," and I'll send that voice note. And they said, "You go to police station. No, they like you. Naja, so I'm on my way to Ajaba. I just want to confirm the name again. She be now Gombo police station." Then I move on. I called her when I got to Gombo police station. When I come out, I called her as at 3:10 p.m. That time I don't, as I come out inside the Gombo police station, she not pick up. I drop voice notes, give her. Even me as I speak, I don't forget anything in the voice note. Let's play the voice notes again. The one that I drop for her is just 9 seconds. This is it. Just 9 seconds. Immediately I came out from Ogongo police station, I sent the message. That was the message I sent to her. Please, ma, when
Trash that things out. Karimo said this lady talked to him. He said Ayat. He said the lady Ayat. He said this lady talked to him in second nurse. The girl say yes, he get proof. Now you be the nurse. He said when I talk to him, I say I did it. The woman said yes, I have a proof. Say now you and I must bring her and I will go down to the edge. So Karimo said if you not bring the person or I go buy the woman. If the woman did not bring her, you must look at you. I have plenty of proof. If I bring her and say social media go wrong, so don't think say I not get the proof when I go carry. Say the woman has I not the carry talk. I have that proof against you. You lied to us saying after the Mohbad buy, now you go Nigeria. It's a lie. You were there before the buy. So they are trying to say that why these people here they argue about the new lawyer where they bring. So I don't even know that will go finish first. Wow. This second nurse matter. This case is this second nurse matter they cause a lot of problem. And Black Widow did not want to tell people the name of the second nurse. Let Karimo sorry. I know. But she said not be she. She said not be she did it. I wish Black Widow can confirm that second nurse now to clear the air. Because we know say not be that nurse. Not be that nurse when it come there. That so nobody so nurse that came. Who is that second nurse that you're not calling the name? That's what it's about. This one, I would not what the woman they argue with her now.
It's a
very big problem now. It's a very big issue on the ground right now.
Karimo, everybody knows it's Karimo. There was a nurse from the hospital.
Oh,
I'm surprised.
From the hospital?
Yeah.
The first hospital?
Which was yesterday? I don't know which one of those hospitals didn't come before. Then there was a nurse from the after that time. Now they say there was a nurse from
I never hear a person I'm hearing that. That the one of the nurse of the hospital came home. I didn't hear.
No.
Yeah, we hear that from you now, which is okay. So one nurse from the hospital follow them go house. Before they carry Mohbad go or after Mohbad?
They say there was a nurse from the hospital. If that when they work for the hospital and when work with them for house too.
So now let me understand. Is it before they carry Mohbad go to the hospital or after?
I don't know.
Yeah.
And I am on that because that one I don't feel remember because when grandma come here, grandma cookie, she said the nurse named Nafumi, the Mohbad nurse, and they work for that hospital.
Voila. She mean that she talking about Mohbad nurse was not around available.
Sorry, waiting the idea. They mentioned Mohbad nurse, Pedro D, and Nafumi, but this one is from that hospital. They did not, and they get from any hospital. Where had that? Mohbad has his own nurse that treats him. You know, let it by any. You know, say I didn't try to talk, but I don't let me talk. I just stop the brain. I never hear this one. Talk. Make a talk. And one day, we do for platform here. Kogi Mama come. She said, when I don't hear the latest. He said, there's a Mama Koki. Grandma Koki did not say from any hospital. Grandma Koki, what we are here for this platform, Mama Koki said that Mohbad nurse came, the one that is her name is Fumi, I used to treat Mohbad, came over the night. Her name is Fumi, and she was one that came overnight into morning and left, treated Mohbad, gave Mohbad injection, and left. Before they now called the Shara, so it's like the Shara was just a cover-up. You understand? But waiting got me confused right now. She never mentioned hospital. No.
Yeah, let us say I never hear one they say nurse came from that hospital.
Because the next day, after my grandma talk, I entered TikTok the next day. I heard them when they were saying that nurse Fumi was working in one of those hospitals. I don't know outside, but not on this our platform. You know, there I know we have that one. Okay, now, I'm not forget to Fumi matter. But I bring her now, you remember them. So, I don't go just think I never forgot Nurse matter. I said it.
No, you know said that. No, you know what? Black Widow tried to remove Nurse Fumi for everything. That's how the name people know he hardly come out. Yes. He removed that Nurse Fumi. I don't know why. He's not calling the girl name at all. He's trying to remove the girl from every corner. She tried so hard to remove that girl.
Another one again.
Okay. When Mama Koki say, it's from the streets. From the streets, they're sitting at Mohbad, original nurse, the nurse Fumi, and they go give her the injection on Monday. Was that Mohbad neighborhood, and then see another talker.
Okay.
So people for TikTok now, when they say the nurse Fumi say they walk around those hospitals where they for near where
Okay.
TikTok, right? The nurse Fumi. So some people want to be like the nurse Fumi. Yes, so when they say be like the nurse Fumi, they work for either Coramets or Perez.
Okay.
People were just discussing it and saying it. But the mama,
okay, now I understand what you mean. Because but the way Queen explained that before, it can't be like say the girl come from the hospital that day to come and treat Mohbad.
No, I said I don't know day, but she said the nurse don't first come before.
Okay.
That other nurse come to cover up. Now she started to talk about it. Don't the other you follow the call for hospital. I said I don't know.
Okay. Anyway, it's still fine. So at the end of the day, the room, okay, let's put this in a rumor. Do you understand? Now it's fine. We don't understand. Allegedly or rumor. Say the girl they work for one of the hospitals, because we are not sure. Say she they work for one of the hospitals. But definitely Mama Koki know what she's saying. When she talks, say now that nurse Fumi back.
Because the era from TikTok and I go TikTok that day and I had it.
You know, everybody that were involved on that Monday, the coroner and Wumi, they have tried every means
to remove everybody on Monday.
They tried every means to remove them. And all the people they say not get anything to do with Monday.
Even when Adura granted the last interview, when Adura granted, Adura said everything was fine on Monday. They don't have any issue on Monday.
When the Adura talk, everybody here that day, they remove her from CTC. They remove that one. So they just won't kill by Monday. They say Monday not day for calendar. Because it is very possible that the nurse Fumi will work for those hospitals. And that nurse Fumi, if people go investigate, they don't know what people nurse Fumi. Because I'm very sure say that Fumi be the nurse name. When Black they talk, you know, they know when they talk some things out. I just think fool me. If say police really want to investigate this case, they will go all the hospitals around, they will go investigate anybody who name resemble fool me. And to know whether the person is still on that job or the person don't start.
So grandma, apart from that, they would like to know where you did on Monday.
Now you see the person.
I go do some forensics and they go no.
Yeah, where you did on Monday, what did you do on Monday? Everything we do on Monday, I will go find out if not true.
Yes, everything on Monday.
They don't really work.
Because they're not
When we talk again from staff, now remember, she said after we move back by, say they see call on other nurse.
Come stay with them all night.
So that one. Whether you don't find, maybe that can be done.
Whether you can do something.
Whether you can do something, yes.
Okay, wait. If not be lie, where they lie, you carry person go first hospital. Doctor confirm by you said no. You took her to the second hospital. The second hospital, the professional doctor come say bye. Now nurse now. Now what revive her for house. They are just getting, they're just confusing themselves, making more trouble, lying themselves. They carry and go. No, they want to give a reason why they carry and go and go. They won't call nurse to confirm.
And then the best, you know, say he trying best.
Okay.
The best.
Okay, the best is after when he has bite.
After he has bite,
they will now call nurse to confirm.
If you want to follow one thing when people do, some people don't agree. I mean, no, they agree, some people agree. When they say, when they carry a go hospital, when they say you go last on your street because you walk inside the hospital, okay. If you want to follow that one and just talk, they say you never, let's say, you know who say me they do make you wake up or make you do to revive him or something. Say they rush him out to the house. Now, out of if that thing are true, as they rush him out, so they don't allow them to do anything for the hospital to wake him or to give him another oxygen or whatever. That means they rush him out to go and perform something on his body before he will wake up.
But why are they hiding Kuramit?
Why the doctor?
That doctor they say resign, so now the nurse for me resign. I'm a doctor. I'm a nurse.
Somebody like your dog. Why
They go find out.
they put the man name there? Now, Max,
Maybe put name of person be say he don't come out since for a long time. Maybe one of those will work there at a time. Then because you work for somewhere, your name they see they did their registry. So
they will not come out and go say, what if I get the fun here?
maybe don't die. Maybe not the one they say don't buy. I'm sorry. Maybe not the one don't
Now they put it in for them. Oh my God. I love you now.
I'm very suspicious of nurse for me. Say if they work for Kuramit.
If they can't those 15 people, then they're more likely to be they ask them, say, do you know any of Mohbad nurse called for me?
So which I mean, do you know? They said the woman did not come. Who said they don't know?
And then if they ask question, they go ask them. Do you see ask again now?
You know who asked, do you know? They know her. Did he treat Mohbad that day? Now you go, yeah, maybe did you know him?
No,
they know her.
They treat. You know, say that for those say, do you know the person? Say yes. Did she give Mohbad any injection or try to treat him or whatever? The person will say yes. Then they will say, okay, after the injection, what happened to Mohbad when Sumi gave him? But that day, now from one question to the other, they will take them say it happened to Mohbad. But me, I know, say that they say Sumi according to them, no go just fly come back from nowhere. They don't call us Ada or us anti-lawyer. They just come
please announce see, the Mohbad's personal nurse, Fumi, was not available. So they now called, they explained the now, give them to call. You know the reason why they don't go call any other nurse for when any other trained nurse. They must have known that this other one, what it be named, this auxiliary nurse one, they must have known that Bishara is a greedy person and she will do anything.
What
That was why
somebody
set her up.
I don't think that girl was set up. She was not.
I don't think she was set up.
I don't think they set her up or they don't set her up.
She's part of it.
It was.
For me, I say I don't think so. I don't think she was set up.
They waited for somebody that is as greedy as
They told her, no. They go tell her, say, don't worry, you are not going to be in trouble. We'll work this thing out.
yeah, they gave her so much assurance, and she saw the top people involved, top people what did they call her? Say this secretary they involved, and you know secretary is somebody some of them carry so highly, and then plus all the other people when they involved, they will have given her so much assurance, and because she may have been doing some criminal activities in the area too. So they had to give her that job. And don't forget, it might even be the morgue people, the mortuary people, where women first carried this boy home, where they said they can pay 200. Maybe that would be they will not know any nurse. They say I will get one nurse, nice partner, we are not they work together. They'll call them. I'm not sure it was Spendi that even gave them that, because Spendi is part of the plot and they gave him his part to play. Weeks.
That man, don't forget you soon.
Which right?
Don't forget they interviewed the nurse. Our friend boy know the nurse well. That time. When the man was going to call her 10 times, tell her, say, you know, go come talk your truth, everybody don't talk your truth, now you go so. So, first of all, know the reason, that's the reason why they say, I don't know, they say she cover her face before, because the reason, fear don't catch her, my mama don't cry, because, you know, the mom don't go UK. So, the nurse will come represent her now. They walk along with them.
But I was surprised that this nurse Sheyi Ogedegbe is still very, very much around doing birthday. Because the guy said it that day. He captured her picture, everything, the way she was doing birthday. That means they guarantee her where we say nothing will happen.
Yes.
They give her assurance, yeah. Yes, now the phone don't travel, not that. Because Ogedegbe is around, yeah.
That's the face of Fishara. That be the same face we are on the sisters for TikTok.
She's around.
Yeah,
she's around.
So that's around.
Yeah.
That girl is
she get mind, though. She get mind.
I don't think
yeah, that girl get mind. You know what I say get mind? For this kind of bad case, and now you be the nurse, and you accepted that you were there. 2 p.m. that day, you were injected, blah, 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 blah. And you are doing medical, doing normal things like nothing happened. You get mind. Because when I support them for not come on.
The girl is a criminal on her own. That's why I say she's part of the game. She knew what she was coming for. See this person not the again. She knew the play with the one act. She knew everything.
But that's not she know because that she know how she talk whether Mohbad she give injections. That story, she know they talk truth for the because she won't tell them she don't know Mohbad face now, even if she don't know them. She tell them don't be Mohbad because Mohbad don't already buy on Monday. And this thing that Mohbad she give injection on Saturday or Tuesday, that means that girl that criminal.
It's a criminal. Not criminal. They don't care. And maybe they don't care in the concrete.
They don't pay her for her. They don't collect for her background.
Nigerians will do anything for money.
They pay her.
They pay her. When you see that woman, when the mama, what they showing, they cry. The woman, only God knows that after that woman I didn't ring Mama too. There's not anything no fear for this justice for Mohbad.
Not a demon.
Because I remember your picture.
Which demon?
You are going to check her house before. And the mother
Are
came
you
out
sure
crying.
it's the true thing?
You remember then?
Because
When Yomi went there, the people in the compound said that they woke up in the morning and they passed out. They didn't see their face. Yomi went to check her out. Yomi said it. That he got there, she got the address finally. When he got to the compound, the other room, some people said to her, we wake up, they don't back. They just wake up, they just say they don't move out. When people were sleeping, that was when they moved out. When people were
They never asked Pendy, where you didn't know this news? How long have you known her? You see, this God will punish this shit. How long have you known her? Even the person they pick up to represent the nurse, they will answer, how long have you known Pendy? What is Pendy's actual name? They will get her for there. They will get her there.
Because she does not have questions now. People can go to listen to stories and give them move back.
Come back.
You only go to listen to stories and come back and tell us what. You don't ask questions as a lawyer, not clear as a staff. I never see you. Never see you.
Our Mohbad let me the problem of this case. If he had not been involved, this case we don't see the go ahead since, because even among those that gathered money to hire Shitu, they were already arguing among themselves, and then the ones that said Shitu is not doing well, Baba Mohbad and those the packages, they will find a way to remove that person. All of them will go against the person, insult the person, so before the person will come out.